Why is website maintenance important for your business? Website maintenance is important to all businesses no matter the size. Your website is both a local and worldwide view into your business and has a large impact on how the value of your services are perceived. Studies show that 48% of users say that if they arrive on a website that isn't working well, they take it as an indication of the business simply not caring. Just having a website up and running isn't really enough. You have to do maintenance to make sure it keeps running fine and to make sure that all the time and effort you put into creating your website doesn't go to waste. Once it's up, maintaining it isn't as much work, but it has to be done. It's like maintaining a building or your home. If work isn't done to keep it up, it's going to eventually fall apart.
All businesses need regular website maintenance to attract and retain customers, maintain search engine rankings, provide updated information, and keep up to date on website security. Website maintenance is also required to maintain the value of the website over time. Luckily, Activerify provides professional, affordable website hosting, website maintenance, and security protection services to any type of websites. Our services are included. 1. Website hosting services. Your website hosting matters. We provide a reliable, safe, commercial-grade hosting service. You receive real support from expert server management team and web developers. We keep your website running smooth and your user experience optimal. 2. Website security protection. Protect your website from hacks and vulnerabilities. Our industry-grade security ensures all website visitors are screened, and your website is fully hardened to protect from attack. This is backed up with guaranteed hack protection. 3. Professional and reliable website maintenance. Imagine having a team you can rely on to keep your website updated and free from vulnerability. You'll have guaranteed peace of mind that your site is always looking good, running smoothly, and free from issues that can take your business offline. So, what are you looking for? Contact us now.
For more information, please contact our friendly support staff with the given contacts. Thank you for watching. We are looking forward to doing business with you. Activerify team.